I'm Burt with STAHLS TV, here to show you today how to heat apply twill without stitching. One thing that we see in the industry is embroidery and the use of twill. And one thing with people with just a heat press can't achieve that without being able to stitch. But here today we're going to show you a way that you can get that embroidery appeal on your sports jerseys with just the use of a heat press. And over to my right, let me show you how that's done. Alright, here what we got today is your basic 3/4 sleeve baseball t-shirt, really popular with softball leagues. I'm going to bring it over the press here. Now we got one of these logos here. See, it says the Vikings with the script with tail. So we're going to go ahead and put it onto the garment here. Layer on there. Now if you take the second to notice too, this is your standard twill material. It's what embroiderers use, and they actually go ahead and sew out their zigzag stitch, satin stitch on it. But if you can notice in here, the zigzag stitch already has been applied to it. So all we need to do is the difference between this and regular twill, this has a permanent seal adhesive on the back, where other twill just has basic heat seal and needs to be stitched. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and heat apply this at their standard temperature and show you what it looks like after. Always make sure with a material like this you always have a cover sheet over the top. Bring down the press to set it. Now that the press is popped, you go ahead and pull off the cover sheet. Go ahead and take it off. Now that we have it off there, you can see still it's got that zigzag stitch in it. It's got that nice little glossy nature that twill has. It looks like now that you're an embroiderer with just using a heat press. Now we'll take this and turn it over, because with all jerseys we got to have the logo on the front and your basic number right on the back. Just bring your shirt right over that press again. Got a basic number. And just like you can see with just that script with tail Vikings on the back, you can see the embroidery zigzag stitch into it. It's already on there, and we got that permanent heat seal backing on it so it can stay on these cotton or polyester uniforms. So just like we did with the front, we're going to do the same with the back here. Make sure that cover sheet's over so we don't get any adhesive protecting that upper platen. We'll go ahead and bring down the press for the recommended settings. We'll take off the cover sheet again. And this one's done. And in a matter of seconds, we just completed a full logo and also the number on the back. Now to recap what we just went over today, what we just did is we took your standard heat press and made an embroidery look with our twill with just a heat seal. And we take a look over again, in a matter of seconds, we did the front and back of a uniform where it looks fully embroidered, and where other embroiderers take tens of thousands of dollars to purchase their embroider machines, and also the time and effort it takes to go into it. In just a matter of seconds with a basic heat press, we finished a fully embroidered looking uniform for a sports team of your choice. I'm Burt with STAHLS TV, and thank you for watching.